So I recently found this behavior in JavaScript, which I don't know how to feel about it. At first, it sounds really cool, and I just want to like show you what it is. And is the fact that DOM elements with IDs, like if you give a DOM element, let's say like a button, for example, with an ID of like my button, you could access them in your JavaScript. And you might be wondering, hey, I can access them before. Yes, what I mean is that you can access them literally without doing document.get element by ID or document.query selector. You could access them as global variables on the Windows object. Let me show you what that is. So over here, I just have a new app scaffolded with like this is with Vite. Like I chose this because I don't have to do much of the coding, it's just a brand new app. So in here you'll see the JavaScript is main.js, and over here you see the HTML. You can see that we have an ID of app, right? This ID we're doing, you see, we're like normal DOM manipulation of getting the element by ID. We could also do document query selector, right? And we just pass in app like so. And if we check, it still works, right? But this is the cool thing. You already have access to that element since it has an ID. And this is the magical part of it. If I do this now, if I do app, do you think this is going to break? Let's find out. And for the sake of sanity, let's refresh. It's still accessible. You might be saying, why is that accessible? Let's check out the dev tools. Get to the bottom. Let's check out the console. If we do app, not that one. If we do app, like so, you see we have access to the div with the ID of app. Right? So literally, if you have any elements with IDs in your HTML, they are accessible in your JavaScript as global variables. And one cool thing is so we could literally do the long form, which is window.app, and it's still going to be the same behavior. This is going to be like so. And I could literally just change this. Let's say I rename let's rename this so that we show. So let's say, I don't know, my app, for example. This is going to break, right? Because of course cannot set properties of unified setting in app. Of course, we just changed that. And if we go back to our JavaScript and just change this to my app and save it now, go back to the browser, we have this. Of course, this is broken because I think the CSS is looking for the ID of app to start this page. But the point is, JavaScript allow you, and this is standard HTML behavior because it's in the HTML spec. I will link to that in the description as well. And I don't know how I feel about this. So a couple of things comes to mind. First of all, you'll be like, okay, this is not good. You shouldn't be accessing globals. That's fine. I don't have a problem that it's a global. Another argument to be like, okay, what if it's changed? But yeah, if it changes in the DOM, right? Like I did now, you always, even if you're using document the query selector or document the get element by ID, you're still gonna have to change it, right? And yeah, it's I don't know how I feel about it. So you all let me know what you think about this in the comments. I just wanted to let you know that this is possible. One other thing, I'm not sure I would use this because it's a global. There should be some use cases for it. Let me know if you've used it before. But from the articles I've read and from my research, this has been in the browser behavior for like forever. So there are definitely apps that depends on this behavior. So you might be thinking, okay, maybe I'm thinking it. What if I do my app like this, right? Of course, if we check now, it's all broken again. How do I access it? Because if you want to, you can't do my app. What is that really? Right. So what you can do, of course, is going to be like this, the standard way for you to access something like so. Since you have this token, which is the dash that is going to be seen as an operator, you could do this and it would work, right? So that just to say it out there. So the behavior for this is called named access on the window object. All right, what is it? Named access on the window object. So do let me know if you've come across this behavior. Let me fix this fit stuff. Let me see if it's gonna work. Let's have it work really good as it was before. No, I'm gonna. Why not? Let's leave it like that. Here I'm just gonna remove this and remove this. So if we go back, Vit is all happy. So let me know what you think about this behavior, this named access on the Windows object. Let me know if you've used it before. Let me know if you hate it, because I don't know. I don't think I'll use it, but you just want to know that this is a behavior that has been in JavaScript and DOM for like forever. So if you like this video, of course, do like it, leave a comment, and also subscribe for so that you get notified when I release more videos. And also YouTube is going to suggest another video for you to watch. Do watch it because it helped the channel grow. Thank you.